Good afternoon, students. Let's start with a new chapter, arithmetic progression. Let's have a brief introduction. What is the meaning of arithmetic? Arithmetic means a kind of mathematics which involves addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And progression means a process of continuous changing, or we can say a series of successive events. Now see definition. An arithmetic progression is a progression in which the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. The difference between two consecutive terms. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means one after another. Let's have an example. And in short form, we take A from arithmetic, capital A, and P from progression. We also say AP. Now let's take an AP example. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 after another term 4. This we say consecutive term. Always and always in AP, the difference between these two consecutive terms should be same, constant. Now see, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2. If the difference is not constant, we can say that this is an AP. For an AP, it is fixed that the difference shall be constant. Let's see in a daily life example where AP used. Suppose your father gave you pocket money of 200 rupees per month, and now you start studying hard, and now your father get impressed with you and he say, from next month, every month I will give you 200 rupees extra pocket money. 200 rupees extra. Suppose right now your father give you 200 and another month he will give you 200 more. 200 plus 200 means 400, and another month he also add 200, so then it will be 600. Like this. He is add on your pocket money by 200 rupees. Now see the difference. 400 minus 2, 200, 200, 600 minus 400, 200, like this. See, in this AP, your pocket money is increasing, but the difference between these two consecutive terms is constant by rupees 200 rupees. So we can say this is an AP. Let's take some another example. Like you are standing, you are waiting in a bus stop and you are waiting for the bus, and you know that traffic is moving on the constant speed. So by this, you can make a rough idea, or you can guess the when the next bus will come. So in this AP, in our daily life, AP use. Now another terms which we need: sequence, series, and progression. Sequence, a sequence of a finite or infinite number. What is finite? For example, 4, 6, 8, 40, 44, 48. In this, you know the term, last term also. It is finite. And infinite means in the series 2, 4, 6, 8, and infinite. You doesn't know the last term. Infinite, always and always last term will be given. And infinite, no last term will be given. Series, the sum of the element of the corresponding sequence. Let's take example 1 plus 2. Sum of the elements of the corresponding number. 2. This is an example of natural number. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Like this. Progression, we have discussed a process of continuous number, a series of successive events. Now let's talk about some more important concepts. Let's talk about very important concept which is very useful for this chapter. We should know all the concepts for doing this chapter. Very important, common difference. The symbol denoted for common difference is with small d. With small d. Let's have an example. 3, 6, 9, 12. Now what we see, the series is increasing and the difference is of 3, we can say positive. Another we will see 7, 7, 7. In this what we will see the difference of 0, it is constant series, and we can take another example 13, 11, 9, 7. But we will see the difference will come in minus. So we can say decreasing series. Now next very important which we should know. The very important terms. Let's take example of the series 5, 10, 15, 20. The first term which we take, we call first term and we denote it with the term A, small a. And common difference we take, we denote it with the small d. And nth term. Nth term means the last term, and the formula is a plus n minus 1 d. And now see here, what is the a? A1 term is 5, and the difference 9 minus 5, 5. And the n term, a is 5 plus n minus 1 and common difference. We can solve and we will get the answer. And the most important, sum of this term. How will we find the sum of these all terms? Sn. N by 2, 2a, n minus 1d. Or another formula also we can use, n1 2 a plus l. This we will use when we will given the last term of the AP. And l means last term. And one more term is used n. What is this n? N means how many terms are there in the complete AP. It is known as n, denoted by n, small n. We can find this. And the last thing, very important, we should know the general form of an AP. What is the general form of an AP? A plus D plus A plus 2D. See, A is 5, 5 plus, and D also 5, 5 plus 5. A is 5 plus 2 into 5. So what will we get? 5, 10, 15 like this. So this is the general form of an AP. Rest we will learn in the new class. Till today,